Today we are going to discuss about United Nations Organization. United Nations Organization is the hope and conscience of the world, which is globally known for its peacekeeping missions. Headquartered in New York, UN officially came into existence on 24 October 1945. The main areas of interest of UN are peace and security, climate change, sustainable development, human rights, etc. The official languages of UN are Chinese, English, French, Russian, Spanish and Arabic. It got 6 official languages. And the main organs, the principal organs of United Nations are General Assembly, the Security Council, the Economic and Social Council, the Trusteeship Council, the International Court of Justice and the UN Secretariat. The UN Charter established these 6 principal organs. The General Assembly. General Assembly consists of the representatives of all the member states. Each state has 1 vote but may send 5 representatives. The General Assembly meets at least once in a year. It elects its own president and vice presidents every year. The second one is Security Council. Security Council consists of 15 members, of which each of which has 1 vote. There are 5 permanent and 10 non-permanent members elected for a 2-year term by a 2/3 majority of the General Assembly. The permanent members have the power to veto any move. The retiring members are not eligible for immediate re-election. The next one is the Economic and Social Council. It was established under the UN Charter as the principal organ to coordinate economic, social and related work of the 14 UN specialized agencies, functional commissions and 5 regional commissions. The Council also receives reports from 11 UN funds and programs. The next one is the Trusteeship Council. The Charter provides for an international trusteeship system to safeguard the interests of the inhabitants of territories which are not yet fully self-governing and which may be placed thereunder by individual trusteeship agreements. These are called trust territories. Next one is the UN Secretariat. The Secretariat is composed of the Secretary General, who is the Chief Administrative Officer of the organization, and an international staff appointed by him under regulations established by the General Assembly. Next one is International Court of Justice. It is the principal judicial organ of the United Nations. Its seat is at Hague. Hague is a place in Netherlands. It is the only one of the 6 principal organs of United Nations which is not located in New York. The court's role is to settle cases in accordance with international law submitted to it by states and to give advisory opinions on legal questions referred to it by authorized UN organs and specialized agencies. The Secretary General of the UN is a symbol of organization's ideals. He is the official spokesman of the organization. The current Secretary General of the UN is Mr. Antonio Guterres, who is a Portugal citizen. That's all from United Nations Organization. Thank you.